The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. An unexamined life is not worth living. Be kind, for everyone you meet is fighting a hard battle. To find yourself, think for yourself. He who is not content with what he has would not be content with what he wants. Strong minds discuss ideas, average minds discuss events, weak minds discuss people. Education is the kindling of a flame, not the filling of a vessel. The secret of happiness is not found in seeking more, but in developing the capacity to enjoy less. He who would move the world must first move himself. Wonder is the beginning of wisdom. The greatest way to live with honor in this world is to be what we pretend to be. False words are not only evil in themselves, but they infect the soul with evil. Wisdom begins in wonder. I cannot teach anybody anything, I can only make them think. Let him who would move the world first move himself. Contentment is natural wealth, luxury is artificial poverty. The mind is everything, what you think you become. It is not living that matters, but living rightly. The easiest and noblest way is not to crush others, but to improve yourself. To fear death is nothing other than to think oneself wise when one is not.